Okay, in this lesson, I want to explain other edit pattern tool. This tool, a smooth curve. Smooth curve. When you select it, this tool does two things to wait to us. It means first you can select some point and just going almost over that and click and drag. And as you can see, it smooths that hard edge here because this is very heavy. Let's go and select new because this is very heavy. Going to polygon. And that's it. It's better. Again, we are going to, or you can go into the fabric and add a better color to that. And here, going to the smooth curve. Select in an empty space to deselect everything. As you can see, escape to cancel it. For example, I want to smooth this hard edge. And then as you can see, you can click on it. Before releasing your mouse, right click and you can run corner by length. Line 1, and as you can see, you can change line 1 or change line 2. This is line 1 and line 2. You can type any number that you want, or you can simply change the direction of this curvature by exact number or this slider. Nice. And after that, you can go to the edit pattern and change that tangent also. Another way that you can edit your curvature is, for example, I want to add a curvature from this point to that point. Going to the smooth curve, select somewhere to empty space to deselect everything. I want to click first, and as you can see, this arrow appear. Second place that you want to add another curve, click, and then you have to specify which segment do you want to add a curve. Of course, this segment inside, click, and then click on this line that you drew before, and that's it. Before doing that, please click, and click and drag. Don't just click. Click and drag, for example, in this way. And as you can see, I add a curvature between 2 points that I selected. For example, I want to add a curvature from this point to that point, or from this point to this point. This second click, I want to smooth this segment. Click, and then going to that line, click and drag. Or for example, in this way. And as you can see, you can smooth it. Okay, this tool is very powerful and you can use it a lot. And that's it. Or you can do another thing. Click this segment. And before clicking, dragging, right click. No, it does not. Add a right click and you can just click. Okay, this is a smooth curve. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.